Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned to write dynamic data to Excel using Power Automate. In this video, we will learn to write data to Excel on submission of a Microsoft form. After that, we will learn to trigger a flow from Excel. We are creating a new workbook with columns, name, email, amount, and donor type. We are formatting this data as a table and naming this workbook as Charity Tracker. Now we are creating an automated cloud flow which will be triggered when a new response on Microsoft form is submitted. We are using get response details action to get the details of the charity form submitted. Now we will use this action add a row into a table. We will choose the location as OneDrive for business and document library as OneDrive. The file name is charity tracker and the table is table 1. Here we will choose dynamic content for name, email, amount and donor type. Now we will continue for saving and testing this flow. The person's name is Navneet. He is a first time donor and he is donating 3000 rupees. The form is submitted, the flow ran successfully, and the details are also added to the sheet. We are submitting another form for Simran Juneja and she is donating 2000 rupees. The flow ran successfully and the details are added to the sheet. That's it. In the next video, we will learn to trigger automations from Excel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.